Hi, this is me Sajid. Welcome to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of placenta. I have discussed about the placenta in my previous video. Now I'm going to discuss about structure of placenta. So here is a picture of the placenta. That's an easy picture. So what's the structure? Placenta mainly consists of two plates. They are chorionic plate and the basal plate. So first one is a chorionic plate and the second is a basal plate. In between this chorionic and basal plate, there is a space. That space is known as intervillar space. And we can see stem villi as well. So these four are the structures which included in the placenta. So now we are going to discuss about the chorionic plate. So that's the first plate of placenta. It lies internally and it is the one which is lined by the amniotic membrane of the fetus. So the umbilical cord of the fetus also attached to this plate. So that is the inner layer of the placenta. So this plate consists of these all other tissues like primitive mesenchymal tissue, layer of cytotrophoblast, syncytiotropoblast. These all are the tissues which is present in this chorionic plate. So I think you understood what is a chorionic plate. It's the inner layer of the placenta. So it's a layer where the amniotic membrane is lined, and here we can see the umbilical cord is attached to this layer. And the stem villi of the placenta also arises from this plate. So I will explain about the stem villi later. Okay, so that's all about the chorionic plate. I hope you understood about chorionic plate. Next we are going to discuss about the basal plate. So what's a basal plate? So as you know, the chorionic plate is the inner one. So of course the basal plate will be the outer layer. Yeah, this is the outer layer. That means the structures which is from outside inwards. So it also has lots of tissues and parts. It include part of compact and spongy layer of decidua basalis, nitabuchous layer. Nitabuchous in the sense it is a fibrinous layer of the endometrium of gravid uterus. That means it's a layer, fibrinous layer which present in the pregnant woman's uterus. And cytotrophoblastic shell and syncytiotropoblast. These all are the four tissues which is present in the basal layer. Next we are going to discuss about the intervillar space. So it's from its name itself you can understand what is intervillar space. So it's a space between the villas, isn't it? Same. So we can see there is numerous branches of villi, or the villas are projected into this space. So this space is known as the intervillar space. Here we can see the blood, the maternal blood is filled in this particular space. So that is known as the intervillar space. Next we are going to discuss about the stem villi. So what is stem villi? So the stem villi is nothing but it's a functional unit of placenta. It arises from the chorionic plate. So when we were discussing about the chorionic plate, I have told the villas are arising from this plate. Yeah, the stem villi is arising from the chorionic plate. And these villas are the functional unit of placenta. This villus is extended towards a basal plate. So we can see the villus in both chorionic and the basal plate, but it is arises from the chorionic plate. So that's all about the stem villi. So the structure of the placenta mainly include the four structures. One is the chorionic plate, basal plate, then stem villi and the intervillar space. So that's all about the structure. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.